Form extensions. We will now look at the steps to create a form extension. Expand the AOT node, and then expand the User Interface node. Expand Forms node to find the required form. Right-click on your form and select the option, Create Extension. A form extension will be created under your project. Open to view the Form Designer. Steps to add a new data source to a form. Expand Data Sources node. Right-click to add New Data Source. Set the properties like Table, Allow Edit, Allow Delete, Join Source, Link Type, etc. Steps to add new controls to a form. Select the required field from the required data source. Drag and drop the field in the desired place. Set the properties as per the requirement. You can also change the caption of the form with a custom label. Steps to modify the properties of form controls. For existing controls, you can change properties like Enabled, Label, Help Text, Allow Edit, Style, Visible, etc.